shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight.
Thanks to everyone who supported the junior class Crispy Scream on Saturday. Good morning, SK. I'm Maddie Martin.
And I'm Lana D.E.C.A. Welcome you back into another great week here at South.
Personally, it's one of my favorite weeks.
I'd have to agree with you, Maddie, because I mean Spirit Week, Pep Assembly, Homecoming football game, and then Homecoming.
Homecoming is this Saturday from 8 to 11 p.m.
Homecoming prices this week are $14 with ASB and $16 without. Guest forms are due to Miss Shara by the 23rd.
Now, on the subject of homecoming, let's take a minute to meet some of the couples on Hoco Court.
One fun fact about Kennedy is that she's a barista at the brand new Starbucks.
Alex has 11 siblings.
A fun fact about Cody is he's obsessed with Marvel. His sweatshirt literally says Captain America on the back.
A fun fact about Sarah is she really likes pigs. She has a pig. The pig's named Zoe.
In a zombie apocalypse, Kennedy would probably die.
Alex would probably just run really fast.
Well, Sarah here, she would just die.
Probably. Cody would go to Costco and live it up there.
Stay tuned throughout the rest of the week to meet the rest.
Attention, all juniors and seniors who have not yet completed Washington State history, there will be a sit-in on October 30th from 10:50 a.m. to 2 p.m. Come and get some lessons done so you can graduate. You can sit for the final test if you have completed all 11 lessons on Google Classroom. South Colby Elementary is looking for camp counselors for their 5th grade camp in January. Pick up a packet in the guidance office.
The second annual Christmas tree decorating contest is happening on Bay Street this holiday season, and the SK School District will have a tree to decorate. They would love everyone's help for some creative ideas. There will be prizes for the best vintage tree, the most creative tree, and the best business representation tree.
Well, since it's sports day today, I think it seems fit that we touch on some sports news.
You mean how the great Huskies football team has been doing this year?
No, I was mainly talking about South.
All right, that works too. Girls interested in bowling, please contact Mr. Lido in the security office or Ms. Mueller in the athletics office. Season starts on November 4th.
And a reminder to all that winter sports begin on November 18th. Be sure to get your athletic paperwork and physicals turned into the athletics office prior to the start of your sport.
Congratulations to all the athletes of the month. Thank you for all your hard work and dedication. Now let's take a look at the upcoming sporting events. Good luck to all our fellow Wolves.
C-Team Ladies Soccer beat Bremerton 3-0 after 2 lightning delays.
Goals came from Taylor Fulton, Allie Loudermilk, and Nadia Watkins. Great job, ladies.
It's never too early to start thinking about the future, which is why the Career Center has so many opportunities for us. Today at 1:30, Oregon State University will be here. Johns Hopkins University will be here Wednesday at 1:30, and Central Washington will be here Thursday at 1:30. The Career Center has the scholarship information that you need. Check it out for a full list.
Now before we end our show, let's see what clubs will be meeting. Clubs meeting today are ASL, Green Team, Magic the Gathering, STEM, and Students of Color.
Clubs meeting tomorrow are D&D and Key Club. It's never too late to go out and join a club.
Flight Club had a great turnout last week. However, the day that the club meets is being switched to Wednesday from 2 to 4.
Make sure to stay tuned to WTV for some more updates on clubs.
Let's take a look at how the Bowling for a Cause went this weekend. Last Saturday, SK.D.E.C.A hosted their second annual Bowling for a Cause at Hydroid Bowl. All the lanes were filled and people had an amazing time. There was even a silent auction with baskets donated from companies all around our community. All the proceeds go to the amazing cause of the SK Special Olympics. Big thank you to all the D.E.C.A members, staff, students, and community members for donating and helping out. Can't wait to see you all again next year.
Thank you to everyone who came and supported. It was a great turnout. Now, let's look at the rest of the Spirit Week.
Tomorrow is Flower Power.
Wednesday is Lazy Day,
Thursday is USA.
and Friday is Trick or Treat Day. Dress up like your class candy.
Well, Wolves, it seems we have come to the end of our show.
Have a great day, SK.